Ready? Okay. Rescuers, you have one patient unresponsive male. Anong gagawin nyo? The scene is? Sige, salita kayo ha. Sasabihin ko, sabihin nyo. Okay? Okay, scene is safe? Lakas. Scene is safe? I'm Karen. Sabihin niyo pangalan nyo. I know PLS. May I help?
May I help?
Yo, ulit tayo. Ulit. Pagkatap. English. Okay, English talaga tayo. Practice. The scene is safe? Sabay kayo. The scene is safe? I'm Karen. I know PLS. May I help? Yes, you may. Good.
Good, Brad.
Check for responsiveness. Go. No response. Call for help. Sino yung tutulong nyo? Go. Call for help. Sir, naka-blue. Tawag na ambulansya siya. Uli. Sir, or ma'am, naka-pula. Tawag na ambulansya. Okay, get an AED. Okay, ulit. Ready? Okay, babalik na siya. Next, cover the patient's mouth. Next, check for? Check for bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walang pulso, walang paghinga. Perform CPR only. One hand on top of the other. Center of the chest. Ready. Pag hindi kaya, ready? Wide yung face. Ready? 200. Pag hindi kaya 200, stop tayo kung saan nyo kaya. Ready? Start. Go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1. Bilang kayo.
5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ano, kaya mo pa?
100. Kaya pa? Wala kang bilang.
Kaya ba, kaya ba?
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Montares! Kaya pa!
Baka si Ma'am Roberta. Inhale, exhale. Okay lang. Inhale, exhale. Ayan na! 16.
Ano, Brad? Ilan na, Brad? Ilan na? Bilang mo ba? Bilang!
19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Montares! 200 na!
Check for pulse. Pinalay na sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Patient has his signs of life. Place in recovery position. Place in recovery position. Side na lang yung position. Bilisan nyo lang. Tomorrow pala yung tomorrow. Halika dito nga. Dito ka. Ito ka, sir. Sir, ka. Isa tayo natin kita. Ito nga, halika. Ganito ha. Side lying position, sir, higa. Tignan mo na ha. I-demo nyo sa dami. I-demo nyo sa dami. Tignan lang ha. Side. Taas ang kamay. Lagay yung isang kamay sa dibdib.
Pwede dito, pwede dito. Okay? Pero ako dito mas gusto ko.
ang legs. Wala. Imaginary. Hawak sa balakang, hawak sa balikat. On the count of 3, ito turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, thank you, Sir Lord. Ganyan pag side dive. Merong pagbilang. Hawak saan? Hawak saan? Hawak saan ulit? Okay lang kayo? Sige, ulit. Side dive position. Ready for 4. Taas ang isang kamay. Ilagay ang isang kamay sa chest. I-cross ang legs. Hawak sa balakang. Hawak sa balikat. I-turn. 2, 3, turn. Okay, thank you po mga mom and sir. Next batch. Next aid. Isa pa? Ganado to. 200 operations. Lahat to ha.
Gata!
Next batch.
Anis!